I say temperature too cold. You need to put the heat in.
The temperature too cold?
Yeah, the guy say.
Did he say that?
Yeah, that's why the egg not so white.
That's what he said?
Yeah.
I think that right now it's warm enough. Well, I can put a heater in there and I'll do it tomorrow. I think right now, because right now summertime is so hot in here, right? You know that, right?
Why they lay 2 times already, not hatching? No baby come up.
Because somebody